There's a system to get out of debt. You've heard of Dave Ramsey's baby steps. Okay. There's a system to save for retirement. You got savings rates, you got expenses, you got what are your investments going to return? Your Social Security, what it's going to be when you retire. You can put that into a simple Excel sheet, figure out, hey, I am saving enough for the idea of retiring early. But nobody really talks about what their full system looks like to be able to have the confidence and the assets, let's just be honest, and the assets to make that decision to retire early. I don't hear that a lot. Now, after 7 years on YouTube, I hear the same message from viewers just like you every day. At least 10 people email me or leave a comment and said, this is what I did to retire early. 10 of those a day, that's a low day. There's no perfect formula, but I have seen patterns emerge. And I'm in the unique position where I see all these comments, I get all these emails, and I interact with all you and say, hey, I can see these things coming together. Finances are personal, but there's definitely patterns that the people who are choosing to retire earlier, 3, 4, 5 years earlier than they thought was possible, at 55, at 58, 62, 65, they're retiring early. They're all following a similar pattern. So what I did is I took that pattern and I wrote it down on a sheet of paper, and I'm going to make it available to you. Free link. It's going to be in the show notes, so hit more. And everything from that I'm talking about now going forward is in that link, so you don't need to take any notes. 5 steps, very simple. I've seen it work over and over again as a pattern, but this is not a promise. It's just a pattern that I'm sharing with you. Here we go. Step 1. Start with your own personal retirement analysis. This is low tech. This can be in Excel. This can be on a piece of paper that where you write out, here are my assets. Here's what our expenses are. Here's our incomes. Here's what I expect is a return. And you just do some simple math and say, oh, we got plenty of money with Social Security where we can spend $6,000 a month or $7,500 a month, plus do this go-go spending. It all makes sense to me. Okay, that's a great place to start. Almost everybody does that. Everybody in this audience does this. Okay. Step 2. This is something this is where a lot of people stop. And then they get stuck in working 1 more year, 2 more years, 3, 4 more years. Most people stop with their own simple analysis. Step 2. Folks, get an independent analysis from the software package Bolden. Okay, this is the Boldin Software that I have been purchasing for 6 years now. There's no comparison in my mind. I hear about all these free packages that are out there, but Bolden is comprehensive, and they bring an entire team. They bring training. They bring free videos, free classrooms, and they're constantly upgrading their system. There's no comparison in my mind. I've looked at every time somebody suggests one for me to look at, I look at it and I said, Bolden's better. I've got a lot of videos on that, and there's a link to a free 2 weeks. Check that out. It's $144 a year after that. And if you're a DIYer, especially if you're a DIYer, I can't imagine retiring without this. And then also, even if you have a certified financial planner, look how much better you're going to be prepared and have deeper, more meaningful conversations when you've done a little homework inside of Bolden. Why use your own spreadsheet when you got this available to you? Why it matters. It confirms your plan. Your plan, how Social Security links in with taxes, links in with deductions, links in with maybe some income you're going to have. Maybe it's Roth conversions that you're going to do to try to manage your taxes. Every decision you have in retirement is linked to every other decision and every other result. And Bolden just does this. Okay. It will confirm or highlight problems in your plan. I see this all the time. People say, oh, I thought, according to my software, or my spreadsheet, I had to work 5 more years. I put it in Bolden. I found some problems in my system, and I can actually retire 3 years earlier than I thought was possible. 10 comments a day I get on that. It shows you the levers and how everything works together and lets you stress test. Stress test is the critical part of creating a retirement plan. It's not about I found a plan that works. No. How does that plan fail? Bolden allows you to toggle between optimistic returns, pessimistic returns, average returns. The first 10 years are bad returns. The first 3 years are bad returns. Customize what you want the sequence return problem to look like. It's automatically built in, and everything's connected to everything, and you don't have to worry about your cell formulas. Stress test mortality dates. Die, at the age of 65 instead of the age of 95. That may affect your if you're married, you've got a spouse that's now filing as a single. Taxes change. They're now not getting Social Security for 2, and there may be pension impacts. This is where fear turns into understanding. You do this step 2, get Bolden. It's built by a dedicated team, free classroom, free training. I probably got 10 videos on using Bolden. Confidence doesn't come from your own plan. It comes from your plan being compared, okay, to something else, being compared. And that's what Bolden provides. Okay, step 3, solve the health insurance plan before you retire. Now, this could be step 2, but you've got to solve what you're going to do with health insurance. It's the number one reason people say, hey, I'm just going to work till Social Security age. It's just 2 more years. Why wouldn't I give up that time for that security? Move Health. I found this group called Move Health, MOVE. They exclusively work with pre-retirees and those years from 60 to 65, and then your transition into Medicare. They exclusively work with that group. So they're not providing health insurance options for somebody that's 26, that's 36, that's 46. They're targeting you. They evaluate all options in your state, and it's free to you, no cost to you. They get a fee from like Blue Cross Blue Shield for getting you to them. They're just a middleman. They're paid by the insurer, no cost to you, no pressure. You won't get 10,000 phone calls. You set up a date that you want to meet with them, go to a calendar, and they'll meet with you, and they won't aggravate you. They won't just pressure you, which is a huge deal. Exclusively until my channel is working with these guys at Move Health, they get their 100% of their clients from certified financial planners. So if you're working with a certified financial planner, they recommend Move Health as their transition. So they're pre-selecting pre-retirees. With me, they're experimenting around opening that up to other sources, and they're running an experiment through my channel. I'm not paid anything right now for dealing with Move Health. I just found them for you. Step 4, get your questions answered by a certified financial planner. Don't be too good for this. Don't have too big of an ego, okay? So you create your plan, maybe on a spreadsheet, then you compare your plan to Bolden, stress test it. You're starting to feel pretty good about the plan. Create a PDF, send it to a certified financial planner, okay? Actually, that's step 5, okay? Step 4 is, there's a team of people at Money Pickle. Money Pickle has, I think they've got 12 certified financial planners that link up with the company Money Pickle. They match you. people Money Pickle match you to your question to the right certified financial planner. So if you have a question around, will my plan be successful? They'll match you up. If it's on inflation, if it's on Social Security, it's on taxes, they'll try to match you with a certified financial planner at no cost to you, zero cost to you. This gives you a 45-minute phone call to ask whatever you want to a certified financial planner. So you realize they're not the boogeyman. They're not scary. Okay. They're just going to give you a professional answer to your question. Okay. So that's step 4. Okay. Interesting. 30% of the people that contact Money Pickle meet with their certified financial planner for free. 30% ask for a follow-up phone call because of something they missed in their plan. Don't be that person that learns through life and, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that, or I worked 2 more years and I didn't need to. Okay? Contact a professional. Money Pickle is a free resource to you. Free. Okay? Get that clarity. Step number 5. Okay? Now the call with Money Pickle is kind of a cold call on a topic. I want to talk about inflation. I want to talk about rates of return. I want to talk about Social Security. And they're going to give you 45 minutes. Step number 5 is you upload your plan. For $300, I found 2 companies. And to my knowledge, they're the only 2 companies in the United States that'll do a $300 plan review for you. They'll look at your plan, your PDF that you have in Bolden, your Excel spreadsheet, your Word document, whatever you have. They prefer the Bolden report because they're trained to look at it. Most of my audience and people that interact with them, they'll say 80% of the people give a Bolden report. So they're really sharp at finding issues and opportunities and strengths with that. It's a major life decision. And for $300, if you're a DIYer, this is cheap. Have a professional find your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities. So far, 100% of the people that have contacted these individuals have had at least 2. 2 was the smallest number of corrections that were way beyond $300 that clients have come back to me with and said, hey, I've heard 12. So between 2 and 12 improvements, changes to plans from having a certified financial planner review this. What you'll get is about an hour phone call with these guys. They'll talk about strengths, gaps, weaknesses, improvements, and then they'll issue a follow-up report with that. So I've met with these people live. One of them's in my hometown. One of them is about 2 hours away. And I've been told no about, I think I'm at 14 people who have told me no, they will not do this service. And I found these 2. And I don't know of any. If you know of anybody else in the country doing this, let me know. $300 plan review. So there you go. There's the 5 steps. Who's this for? It really, I'm targeting the DIYers. And is it worth $300 to find out that you can retire 2 years earlier, or that you can save $100,000 on taxes on doing this? Moving your money to this asset location, or doing this Roth conversion, or the combination thereof. It's to me, it works. It's a pattern. This is a pattern. Now, if you're overwhelmed by all this, hey, and you want somebody to create a plan for you, all these groups will do a plan for you too. They'll do a plan. It's a few $1,000s, but they'll spend about 10 hours creating a plan with you. If you like how I think, Neil Fort Wendell made my plan. I have his phone number below. He doesn't have a link. He's got a phone number. He's from my hometown. I meet with him 4 or 5 times a year. He sends me an email probably once a week. We share ideas, and I just really like Neil, and I've had a 8.5 year relationship with Neil. He's a good guy. If you like how I think, give him a call and set up a 20-minute introductory call and see if you're a match. Totally free. So, kind of in closing, guys, you don't retire early because you're just adventurous and you like taking risk. You retire early because you're prepared and you stress test your plan. Stress testing your plan means if you made it in Excel, you're challenging that with Bolden. If you've got a good Bolden plan and a good worksheet plan, you challenge that with a certified financial planner, okay, through Money Pickle, and you've challenged that through a $300 detailed plan review. The difference in the detailed plan review is they're preparing about an hour for your plan. They're not just looking at it cold. They're preparing at least an hour and then having an hour phone call with you and then having a written report come to you. So this is what people are doing, okay? This is what the pattern that I see. No promises, but the pattern I see in the people that are retiring early. Check out the link. I've got the link for this entire document free for you to take.